There are many ways to pray and many places to pray. You can do it everywhere and you can pray in so many ways. That's the beauty of prayer. It helps us stay connected to Jesus. So let's take out our Jesus booklet. That's this one. And we're going to go to our next lesson. It's right past our angel prayer. Okay. And you can take a marker or crayon and you can rainbow write. You're going to fill in the bubble letters here. It says, I can pray to God. Okay. And yes, you can. You can do this. Okay. So I'm going to trace my bubble letters. You can use markers or crayons to do this. You can use your favorite colors. You can switch colors. You can create a pattern. Okay, so that's the word I can. 2 words I've done. I can. Let's see. Right, pray. Pray. And then two. I'm missing a bunch of colors in my markers. I'm going to have to get that filled up. I just noticed I'm missing my purple and my green. So I'll use pink for God. I can pray to God. Okay. So now I'm just going to use a pencil. Can I pray to God at home? Yes. So I'm going to circle that. That's a great place to pray. Can I pray to God at playtime? Yes. That's a great place to pray. Can I pray to God at church? Yes. That's a great place to pray because you're praying with everybody in your community, right? And then, can I pray to God at school? Yes. All these are great places to pray to God. Okay? So I'm going to give myself my exit ticket here. Okay. I'm going to put this away. So one of the ways it talked about that we can pray to God is we can write our prayers to God too. So that's one of the reasons why we do our Reason for Handwriting book. A great reason for handwriting is to write our prayers out, write our requests to God, write our intentions. So we're but today's lesson, I think you're gonna really love. Today's lesson is called Clouds, okay? And since we're such great weather watcher, I thought this lesson would be a lot of fun for us. So remember, the C doesn't get all the way closed, so this is a capital C, and then lowercase l, clouds, and that ow sound is written with the OU here, cloud, there's our lowercase d, and the S, so trace clouds. And now you can color the clouds anywhere you want. Now, think about what clouds can look like. If you've looked at a sunset, they can be all sorts of brilliant colors. They reflect the sun, or they can just be gray, or you can color around them with blue sky, and the clouds can look very fluffy and white, okay? So I think that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna color the blue sky. So I'm gonna color the in-between spaces. So sometimes when you're taking art classes, they call the in-between spaces the negative spaces, okay? So I'm gonna do that right here, right now. I'm gonna leave my clouds white. Color this blue sky in between. So in this booklet, it's better if you use crayon instead of marker because it's not single-sided. There's something on the back of here, okay? So I'm just gonna color So imagine you were laying on your back and looking up at the clouds in the sky, and what you see is all this blue, right? And the white clouds floating in the sky. Or if you're up in an airplane, which can be a lot of fun, Then you're floating above the clouds and you see the fluffiness down below you, right? Okay, so I'm coloring around the blue clouds, or coloring around the white clouds, coloring with my blue crayons. Okay, and I'm all done. There are my white clouds in my blue sky. Okay, I'm gonna give myself my exit ticket right up here. I hope you enjoyed coloring your cloud page today, and I can't wait to see what your clouds look like. I'm gonna go ahead and close this, and then this is gonna go inside my red folder. Great lesson today about praying.